Hello everyone. So today we are going to implement damaging of enemies with the attacks. So here now let me go to the base attack, and here we can select the target. If I perform an attack, see, now you can see their health bar is reducing, and yeah, that's what we are going to work on today. If I select this character and perform the attack, damages again, let me do the damage again. Yeah, it reduces. Alright, so let's see how to do that in today's episode. Before we get started, here is the full playlist of this series. Everything is implemented from scratch and explained. You can follow these episodes and implement everything by yourself. Also, if you choose to become a member of my Patreon page, you will be able to access the project files of this project and project files for all other thousands of projects I have done in my channel. To the date, there are 2000 videos. For each video, project files are available, so feel free to check it out. I'll leave links in description below. And let's get started with today's episode now. Okay, now the first thing we want to do is here. Now, when I go into this view, let's start with this enemy NPC health bars. Now here, you see, I see the health bar, but they are not changing the value even if I perform an attack. So yeah, that's the first thing I want to implement. So for that, let me open the health bar. Yeah. UI and NPC health bar. Now we need to bind this health bar value to the actual health value of the character. So how do we do that? Here we have this character which is already exposed on a spawn. So I add this. Let me find the reference. I don't remember where I added. Okay, in the here. In the match HUD. Party members. Okay, here. Create WPP stats widget. Right. So that means we can use this within the construct. Here I'll get the character. Just to be safe, I'll promote this to a validated get and wait for attribute changed. Now the attribute I want to listen to is health. Now once I get this new once I get this event fired, this changed event fires, this will be fired when there is a change happen to this attribute. I'll listen to this, and what I need to do is I can get this new value, and also I will need to access the max health value as well. So maybe this update health is only relevant to updating the health value of this progress bar of this image. So if I change this health percent, see, this is how it changes. Now I need to read values from these actual attributes and update it accordingly. So let's add another function here. Update health from character. We have the character. We can get ability, component, and from this you can get attribute set I'll select the class. Well, we don't need to access all the attributes here. The attribute value, yeah, we can use this, not this one. Don't need to use that. And here I can access health, and in the same way I can access the max health. And if I divide these two, so I'll make sure to avoid possible divide by zero values, I'll get max like this to avoid any possible divide by zero values. It shouldn't happen though. And then we can call this update health. Like this. Okay. Now I'll call this event here. Update health from character. On here and also on here, because initially we need to update the health value on the character as well. So, right now, even if I apply the game, since there is no change to any attributes, I should see the full health bar. Yeah, so nothing is changed. But if we implement any change to the health values, for example, here I'll add a gameplay effect. GE damage. What should I call this? Damage. Let's just call it damage. That's okay for now. Later on we might have different kinds of damages, but for now this is okay. Here I'll add a modifier, and what I need to do is change in this base actor attributes health. Modifier is add magnitude is maybe -10. Right. We forgot one more thing. Here we need to clamp this between 0 and 1. Okay, now let's see. If no, we need to apply this gameplay effect. Maybe here. Yeah. Apply gameplay effect to owner. And I'll apply damage ability. Damage gameplay effect. If it works. See? The health bar value reduced. Again, it reduced. So yeah, now as you can see, it's responding. Okay. So yeah, that's actually all I want to cover in this episode. So I don't want to implement like death of other characters, or since there is no way to attack the player character itself, there is no way for us to test the health bars of the player character, but for that also we can use the same approach. So yeah, thanks for watching. As always, updated project files will be available for download here in the Patreon page. Link would be in the description below. And let me know if you have any questions in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next episode. Goodbye.